Subject English Standard Second. Hello dear students, I am Asma Khan. In this video we will learn an interesting topic. Before starting a topic, I would like to ask you few questions. Children, do you like to play games? Yes, very good. Which is your favorite game? Okay, everyone like different games. Some are like football, skipping. Okay, good. Okay, everyone like different games. Yes, na children? Yes, few students like skipping, some are like football, some are like to enjoy playing badminton. Everyone like different games. So today we are going to learn the lesson of hide and seek. So children, now what we will do today? First we will read a story and then after learn new words and phonetic words. The title of the story is Hide and Seek. Now children, I am going to read a story. Listen carefully. Okay? The title of the story is Hide and Seek. Nikita likes to play with her friends. They play hide and seek. Nikita hides next to a big tree. She sees many animals next to the tree. She sees a box near the big tree. It has the queen's crown. She takes the crown back to the queen. The queen is very happy. Now students, I am going to explain the para and you have to listen it. Students, what can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see this girl and this girl name is Nikita. She is very good and very kind girl. Nikita likes to play with her friends. Nikita likes to play with her friends. Do you like to play with your friends? As Nikita do? Yes, very good. So Nikita loves to play with her friends. But now students, she's calling her friend to go for the picnic in the forest. They are going to play hide and seek. Why students? Because there are lots of trees to hide themselves to decided to we will play hide and seek. So now they are playing hide and seek. Okay children? So they play hide and seek. Do you know where Nikita hiding herself during the play hide and seek? Yes, she is hiding herself behind the big tree. As you can see in this picture. Yes, she is hiding herself behind the big tree. So children, do you know what is the opposite of big? Yes, you're right. The opposite of big is small or little. Very good. When Nikita was hiding herself behind the big tree, there she has seen many different types of animals she has seen there. So children, do you know what is the opposite of many? Yes, you are right. The opposite of many is few. Good children. Now students, when she was changing the place to hide for the next tree, she has seen there are box near the big tree. Children, when she was closer near to that box, do you know what she has seen in the box? What she find in the box? Yes, you are right. There was a crown. So shineable crown. There was lot of diamond. It was a queen crown. When she seen a queen crown in the box, she felt so glad, so happy. She takes the crown back to the queen. Do you know students? As I told you early at starting, That girl, Nikita, she is very kind and very honest girl. So she has not took the crown for herself. She take that crown and she went to the queen and she gave to the queen that crown. So she has returned to the queen after getting her crown. Actually, queen was lost her crown. When she find her crown and she was so happy, and then she gave good present to the Nikita. When she got her crown back, she felt very happy. This way we have to be a honest children. So children, you understood this story? Yes. Now let's see new words. First word is hide. Hide means what? To put something in a place where it will be harder to discover or out of sight. First one is Tam, don't hide your face. Second, Ram asking Tam, where did you hide? Next word is seek. To try to find, to look for, to search for. First one is he is seeking a new position. Second, everyone seek happiness. Now children, I will give you 1 minute to read the story. Read it carefully. After that, I will ask you few questions. Okay? Hide and seek. Nikita likes to play with her friends. They play hide and seek. Nikita hides next to a big tree. She sees many animals next to the tree. She sees a box near the big tree. It has the queen's crown. She takes the crown back to the queen. The queen is very happy. Okay, now first question is what is Nikita playing? Yes, you're right. Nikita was playing hide and seek. Next, where does Nikita hide? Yes, Nikita hides next to a big tree. The last question is how does the queen feel at the end? At the end, queen felt very happy. Very good, children. Now children, we will learn phonetic words. So are you ready? Okay. First word is first listen to the sound and blend them. Okay. First word is box. Now we will blend. Box. Box. Repeat after me. Box. Box. Next word is fox. 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 Next word is fix. Fix. The word is fix. Next, mix. 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 The word is mix. Next word, X. Six. X. Six. Next word, Q. Quick. Quick. Next word, quiz. Quiz. Next word, queen. Queen. Now we will repeat all the words. Okay. First one, box, fox, fix, mix, six, quick, quiz, queen. Okay. Now your turn. You will read. Now children, write down hard words in your notebook. First write down the date. Yes, very good. Start writing. First word is queen. First word is queen. Now second word, brave, brave. Write down third word, quick, quick. Now write down next word, fox, fox. The last word is mix, mix. Over, very good. Now it's time for your homework. Question number 1. Make sentence of your own. First one, play. Second, crown. Third one, brave. Next question is, write few lines on your favorite game. I hope this video is better to understand the story of hide and seek, and today what we learned new words and phonetic words. Thank you.